Welcome to the MineWerkz Minecraft server. Today we will be discussing the asset system and how it works. To get us started, there are two main chat functions, first of which being /assetinfo, which displays this information. The current exchange rate, which is calculated based off the total server balance, so the wallets of every single player who joins, leaves, interacts in the server, divided by the number of assets remaining for the month. So at the start of the month, the first, this number starts at 5,000. And as the month progresses and people claim their assets with their in-game money, it goes down, which typically means that the exchange rate goes up, but not necessarily. Then we see total assets, user balance, and how many the user can afford to exchange. So then we go into the second command, which is /redeem. Here you can set your wallet with /redeem set wallet. We use random numbers. This shows you that yes, it set it successfully. Then it showed you what you typed in, and then that you can redeem. So the way to double check that, /redeem wallet. That should show you what your wallet address is set to. If you need to change your wallet for whatever reason, same command as before, /redeem set wallet, and then your new wallet address. Which, if we do /redeem wallet to check, it has changed. So any new exchanges you do will be sent to the new updated Neoxa wallet. So let's test actually redeeming an asset. So we want to redeem one, /redeem one. Pretty straightforward. Successfully redeemed one asset for 32,743, right? And then it gives you the exact exchange rate, which is 6 decimals in preciseness, and then the number of assets remaining. So for example purposes, if we spend some money, and this isn't a closed test environment, so there are no other players actively online. If we spend a bunch of money, nice city, and I think we just spent like, more than $100,000, probably. If we do /assetinfo, right, the exchange rate is 32,688. Okay, so now if we give ourselves like $10 million, okay, then we do /assetinfo again, we'll see the exchange rate is now $40,482. This is because we've entered $10 million into the server balance. So now it's calculating the exchange rate as higher because there's more money in the system. And then, just double example again. If we go in here and we buy a bunch of netherite, 35,000, a few 100,000 taken off. Do /assetinfo again, 40,372, which is less because there's less money in the system. Redeeming assets, we redeem even 100, or how many can we afford? We can afford 510. If we redeem 510, we used all our money, and the exchange rate did not change at all. That is because no money entered the system, and the money that left the system was proportional to the number of assets that left the system. So the remaining amount of money in the system is proportional to the previous number of assets with the previous number of dollars. And of course, this is a test environment, so this isn't the real server. So I didn't steal a bunch of assets and create money out of nowhere, but that should explain the majority of our asset system as it stands. We hope this video was useful, and see you next time.